What is up, party people? My name is Darrel, and today I'm going to talk about the best gigs from Fiverr. I recommend Fiverr. If you guys watch my other past tutorials, I recommend Fiverr because I got my logo from these guys because they have some really talented designers. But what gigs can you trust? A lot of people ask me, Darrel, what about the SEO from Fiverr? I'm going to say no. You run away when you talk about SEO from Fiverr. It's not good. But there are some amazing gigs from Fiverr that I'm going to talk about. Now, the first one I want to talk about is Photoshop. So Photoshop is highly recommended on Fiverr because these guys can do some amazing Photoshop jobs for you. And this stuff, guys, this skill takes a long time, and this work takes a long time. But you can pay these guys somewhere in the lines of like $5 to $20 to do some amazing Photoshop jobs. Now, if you're in the business of like something like this right here, or you were trying to do like a room or artsy stuff or whatever, their Photoshop experts on the site are really good, and I've used them before. I actually used them to make a Star Wars parody where I had like me in there, and you guys can actually check it out on my Facebook wall. Actually, no, I took it down. So yeah, I might put it in the description. I don't know. We'll see. But the Photoshop is really good. I highly recommend it, and their turnaround time is really fast. You guys can outsource it, get it really cheap. There is a link to Fiverr in the description below if you guys decide to use it. I might get a commission. If not, it's okay. I really don't care. It's fine. You guys don't have to use my. You don't have to use my feelings. I'm not a salesman. I'm just recommending it because I personally use it. Another one, guys, is the business cards. I again have used this service for my business cards. In fact, if I check out my recent history of buying, you're gonna see that I actually used this to get my my business cards. And basically how it works, guys, is let me see here. Am I missing or completed? Yeah, they're not completed. So right here we have like the YouTube thumbnails. Oops, let me go back up. That's another one. So right here I have the business cards, and basically, guys, these guys will kind of design it for like on the card, and then you take it to your shop near wherever you live, and they will put it on their computer and they'll print it out for you. So they basically get the design for you, which is the most important part. And they have some amazing designers from Fiverr. So again, I highly recommend the business cards. Now, another really big one besides the business cards and the Photoshop is the logos. Guys, I got my logo from Fiverr.com, and my logo, I gotta be honest, is a nice logo. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So you guys can get a logo for just $5, and definitely try to like pair up with someone here. Try to pair up with someone who is a good designer, and maybe you can like get them out of the market, saying, hey man, why don't you kind of like work for me on the side or whatever? Because I've actually used their service for logos, and oh my god, these guys are good. I mean, look at these logos. These look professional. These look really good. Like these guys are just amazing designers. Another one is we have Photoshop, business cards, logo, and this one's a big one, guys. WordPress help. Everybody out there asks me for help. Guys, I can't really help you with your websites via Facebook comments because let's just be honest, that's impossible. That's crazy, But you guys can get developers for as little as $5 that will help you fix WordPress problems with your themes. Because, guys, I know when you watch my tutorials, I know weird stuff happens. I know you get errors. I know just like you're doing something and then all of a sudden something breaks and you're like, what the hell, Darrel? Like, dislike, or something, But guys, it happens to me all the time. Like right here, you guys can see that this guy will help you with your WordPress problems for just $5, and he has 207 positive reviews. So again, guys, I highly recommend if you guys need help with WordPress, or if something crashes or you have a plugin conflict, I highly recommend this because this is the fastest and easiest. You don't want to call a company on the phone and they're going to say, hey, we'll help you with your support plan. And they'll try to sell you something you don't need. You just need a quick fix. And Fiverr is perfect for that. So I recommend the WordPress help. Another one, guys, is the video editing. So let's see right here, video intro. I have a video intro on my YouTube channel, and I actually got it from these guys. And these guys are, they're really helpful because they have these custom video introductions. And, if you want like an introduction for your website, this is a great resource because these guys can custom make it for you. They can use the templates. They would put your logo, your name, and just everything's. It's great, and I use it. I use this service. I use all these services. There's nothing worse than someone on like YouTube or something where they're just like, yeah, bro, go buy this, and they don't even use it. I have used it. You can watch my older videos. I use introduction videos because they're great. These guys are talented, man. These guys are good. They're really good. So another one that I want to talk about is, let's see, actually I wrote it down here. No, that's about all of them. The graphic design, guys. So graphic design is a big one. You guys, I am not a good graphic designer. I suck at graphic design. But these guys over here just make some incredible, beautiful stuff for graphic design. And it's better to, like, you know, hire one of these guys because you want like original content. You want stuff that's yours. You know, you don't want to have to go sit there and try to find, like, you know, Google Images or something like that, where you're looking for stuff and you're kind of like, you know, stealing other people's stuff. Not stealing, but just borrowing, and it's just not you. It's like not branded as you. But when you have these designers out there, you guys can like kind of create your own style. So whatever like kind of graphic design you want for your website or approach, these guys can kind of, you know, understand it and make it for you. And they're really good. You know, they're really good. Also, the graphic design falls under infographics, which are basically like kind of like posters. Now, I'm sure you guys have gone to the doctor and you guys have seen these before. Like just little like, you know, like you get a sore throat, like what causes it, and they have like little like things that point to different parts of your throat saying, oh, this causes it, take penicillin, stop smoking, you get it, that'll, it's nice to have. So again, it's also a really good service from Fiverr. Now there is one other bonus one that I haven't used, but I've seen it and I kind of like it, but I personally don't need it. But speakers, this is also really cool. So you can have these guys actually go on in camera or a blue screen or a green screen and talk about you and your service. So right here they have like, let me see right here. They have speakers. Let's see, presentations. Is it presentations? I've seen these guys on YouTube before. A lot of these guys will like present your stuff. Speaker for business. Speaker for business. I've seen this one bald guy. Like he's just like, I always see him like on different ones, but I really can't find it now. But let's see here, video animation. Let me see. Oh, promotional videos. Oh, spokesperson. That's the one. That is the one. That's a good one. So let me show you guys really quick. Let me see if I can find the bald guy. I've seen him a lot. See these people right here. Let's see. Where is he at? I've seen these girls actually. I've seen them a lot. And it's a good idea, guys, because these guys are professional. They're handsome, they're beautiful, they look good, and you want a professional image for your product. You want like a strong like image for it. Kind of like this guy right here. Let's see right there, and they kind of tell you about their gig.
I'm Mike, a video spokesperson and Fiverr super seller.
He's a super seller. He's like a pretend doctor, but like it doesn't matter because he's just trying to represent you and your company, and that's all you really want. So again, guys, I highly recommend these gigs. They're great gigs. I've used every single one of these except for this one, but I've seen it on YouTube and other advertisements. So it's like, you want a pretty girl like this representing your business. It looks really professional, and it's like, oh, there's a pretty girl out there. You're selling something. What are you selling? Okay, I'll buy it. It's just kind of how business works. You see someone professional, you trust the brand. So again, guys, check these gigs out. Make sure to like this video. In the comments, let me know if there's a gig that you have got. There are some gigs that I actually have got that I don't want to talk about. Like I had some drunk girl call my friend, and it was pretty funny. But they have like bizarre ones, guys, and like fun ones, like where they'll hold up signs for you naked or something. PewDiePie got in trouble for one of the things he did. But I can't talk about it because I don't want to get like demonetized or anything. But anyways, check these gigs out, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, and I'll see you guys all later.